You can still buy this stock at this date for $43, which is absolutely really cheap. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be discussing Switchback energy acquisition. So let me clear it up. This channel will basically be doing a lot of technical analysis, and we will be discussing the current support line and the current resistance levels of Switchback stock. And we will be trying to predict whether the stock will go upwards or downwards or will trade sideways in the upcoming clips that I'm going to show you guys. So if you really want to see a lot more technical analysis, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below because we will be covering all of that. So let's get right into it. So here we are at the Switchback energy acquisition stock chart, the candlestick chart, and today we are going to be discussing how the current trend is going for Switchback energy acquisition. So right now, today we are trading at $43.80. It actually started on a bearish channel today. We are currently down 1%, kind of like it's not that big of a drop, but we are actually anticipating a good run up because if you guys didn't know, SBE is one of the biggest market leaders when it comes to charging. They have the biggest charging network across the globe, and currently they have over 115,000 charging spots across the whole world, which is absolutely amazing. They are the leader when it comes to charging your car and everything else. So the thing is that currently SBE is sitting at a very solid support level of around $33, and it tried to test the bottom a few times. As you guys can see, it actually tried to test that limit at the December of 15 December. It tried to bottom out, but it didn't. It held really strong. And if you guys can see, it's also a very good support level at around the 5th of January. So we are pretty certain that SBE won't drop below the $33 mark unless we get negative news, which I don't see happening, guys. To be honest, green energy stocks are the way into the future. We will be going way up. I mean, this current evaluation of $43 is actually very cheap, if you ask me, for the world's, for the biggest energy company for their charging network. Because if you guys didn't know, SBE is actually merging with Chargepoint. Chargepoint has 75% of the market share total. This is a global market share of 75%, which is absolutely huge, guys. That's just so high. And they are actually the leader when it comes to charging your car. And they are actually merging, which we are very certain of, but we don't have an exact merging date. SBE is merging with Chargepoint, and this will actually help them gain a lot more capital. And it's going to help the stock a lot because they will, after the merge, I think that this stock will take off, guys. And with the new president coming up, with Biden, he promised to have 500,000 charging spots within the United States within the next couple of years, which is actually really bullish news when it comes to SBE, which is the market leader. And this network will only grow as the EV car adoption gets higher. So this is only bullish news, in my opinion. You can still buy this stock at this date for $43, which is absolutely really cheap. The stock has gone up close to 20% in the last 3 months. And this week alone, as you guys can see on the candle stock, it went from $34 all the way up to $45 right now after the president was announced. And this stock will only go up. So our current resistance level is around $49.50. and a support at $33, which is very solid. So right now, if you look at the daily chart, the volume is not that high. If you can see, the volume has dropped quite significantly compared to November. At beginning of December, it was quite a lot of volume. As you guys can see, it went all the way up to $42. But if you take a look, the MACD is almost crossing. So this is very bullish news. If the MACD manages the cross, we could be going very bullish, and we could overtake the resistance level of $49, and this resistance could be actually our new support level if we manage to beat it. But if we cannot beat it, we will be trading sideways for the upcoming days, basically waiting for a new catalyst to come, which could be the new merger, of course. And that's basically it. The RSI is kind of sitting neutral right now. And let's go to the weekly chart right now. So looking at the weekly chart, we are in a bullish pattern. Look at this. We are on a very bullish pattern. If you go to the weekly chart, we are basically we went from $35 all the way up to 49, which is really bullish, guys. We are going on a green candlestick looking at the weekly chart. And that's actually very good news for us investors because this stock will only go up in my opinion. And let's go to the monthly chart. Right now we are at the monthly chart and it's also looking really bullish. Look at these buying volumes on the monthly chart. We are really bullish. And this is only gonna go higher, guys. In my opinion, this will only go higher. SBE is the world leader when it comes to charging. And I believe that this stock could really go fast within the next couple of weeks after Biden gets officially the new president of the United States. This thing will only go higher in my opinion. So I'm not a financial advisor, but I think that this could be a really good buying opportunity right now. You could also wait a few days because it could also drop if it doesn't have a new catalyst all the way below $40. And below $40, I think this stock could be a really great buy if you plan to hold this for the next 5 years. It could be a really good value in my opinion. That was my SBE Switchback energy acquisition stock analysis. If you liked it, drop a like down below and also subscribe to the channel for more information about this stock, and I will be doing a lot more technical analysis on this stock in the upcoming future. So thank you so much for tuning in. So here we are at the end of the video. So as you guys can see, Switchback is actually having a very bullish trend upwards with the current dollar level of around $43. Actually, this week alone, Switchback was up over 9% on a weekly basis, and on the monthly chart, Switchback was up over 29%, which is absolutely amazing. We know that Biden wants 500,000 charging spots. I am pretty sure that the EV expansion will help SBE stock to go further, and I'm pretty sure that it will break the resistance and go all the way up to the $50 mark. I'm very bullish on SBE stock at the end of the day, and this stock is a long time hold, you guys. So I'm pretty sure if you hold this stock for the next 5 years, you will make lots of gains. So that was the end of my Switchback analysis. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below if you liked my technical analysis, and I will see you next time. Peace out.